Windows 11 Performance in 2024, Essential Tips and Tricks. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share some amazing tips and tricks to boost the performance of your Windows 11 PC. Let's start with disabling startup apps. These programs run automatically when you boot your PC and can impact performance. Go to the search bar, type apps, and select startup apps. Use the toggle buttons to disable any unnecessary apps. Next, let's move on to scanning for viruses and threats. If your computer is slower than usual, it might have a virus or malware. It's a good time to run a full system scan. Go to the search bar, type security, and select Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Ensure your definitions are up to date by clicking Protection Updates and check for updates. Once updated, under Current Threats, click on Scan Options, select Full Scan, then click Scan Now and wait for the process to complete. Next, let's enable Game Mode, which helps improve performance while playing games. To turn it on, go to the search bar and type Settings. Click on Settings, then select Gaming from the left menu. And toggle on Game Mode. Lastly, let's learn how to hide your desktop icons. Simply right-click on your desktop, select View, and then click on Show Desktop Icons. This hide all the icons. To show them again, repeat the same steps.